Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove yourself from a sponsor on Cash App. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if somebody is using your sponsored account and then you want to remove yourself as a sponsor, then what you have to do, guys, just simply have to go to the Cash App. And now after that, guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on the profile button at the top right corner. And now from here, guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down and you can find the family here. So you can see a lot of accounts here as well. Okay guys, so you can see your family members here. Okay guys, if you want to remove your account as sponsor from one of the person, just simply have to tap on that, and after that, guys, you can find the remove button. Tap on that, you can easily remove the user. Okay guys, and you can also go back from here. You can also go to sports section, and from here, guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on chat. You can easily find the chat here, so let me show you here. When you tap on sport, guys, you can find here lot of options, so just simply have to go to the chat section. Let me tell you that you can request to Cash App Sport team. So guys, if you want to remove yourself from the sponsor on Cash App for all of the sponsored account, just simply have to contact with them. You can also request to other users that they have to create their own account and verify their identity, and they can also use their account, and they can also remove you from the sponsor. You can also request to Cash App team to do that. So that's pretty much for today video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.